In order to find and manage sound settings on Realme GT7 all you have to do is open settings on your phone. And after that, if you scroll down just a little bit, you should be able to find sounds and vibration. In here, you can switch between the ring mode, so the normal mode where you have ringtones and vibrations. You can also choose vibrate mode where songs and sounds are disabled, but you still have vibrations, and of course the silent mode, which turns off pretty much everything. Then we have some additional vibration options here, and the not disturb mode, which can be also customized in here. Then we have app specific volume, which can be toggled by tapping on this switcher here. We have media volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, and alarm volume, all of which can be adjusted by moving left and right on this slider. Then we have the volume button function, so you can use volume buttons in order to change the media volume, or you can use it to adjust the ringtone volume. Then we have the option to change the ringtone and notification sound. And if you go to more sounds, you can turn on or off some special sounds that occur in given situations, such as the screenshot sound, the deletion sound, fingerprint animation sound, and so on and so forth. Then we have the clear voice option, which allows you to filter out background noise while you are on a call. So this is pretty much a noise reduction when we are talking, when we are on a call. Besides that, we have sound effect settings where you can choose one of these for profiles. You can also switch the current device over here and the sound effects option. Then we also have holo audio, which allows us to experience sound from different locations when using multiple audio sources at the same time. So if we are connected to different speakers, for example, etc., then we can use this feature over here. There are also haptics, so you can customize the intensity of vibration, and of course completely enable or disable these vibration or haptics. And if you go to more, you should be able to find the default device, so what should be used by default. So if you connect, let's say, a Bluetooth speaker or something, or earbuds, then they will be set as the default device for audio. However, you can still stay with the speaker, the loudspeaker of this device, if you prefer it that way. And we have in-ear monitoring as well. So that's about it. This is everything that we can find that is related to sound settings on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.